Hi guys, welcome back to Tarak Stories. This is Alekhya. So how about we make some mug cakes today? I'll show you in 3 different flavors: chocolate, strawberry and vanilla. So let's get started with chocolate. Let's add all the dry ingredients first. 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour and 3 tablespoons of hot chocolate powder. So if you have cocoa powder, you can use cocoa powder and sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder. So that's it with dry ingredients. So let's mix it well. So let's add wet ingredients, 2 teaspoons of oil and 1 teaspoon of chocolate essence and 1/4 cup of milk. Mix it well. Until you get a fine paste. Now all this is mixed well. Let's give a final touch. I'm gonna add chocolate spread. So if you have chocolate spread, you can add it or you can skip it. So you can use any chocolate spread which is available at home. So there you go guys, we have all the 3 mug cakes ready. So you can have it as it is or you can add a scoop of ice cream to it. I hope you like this video. Please do try this at home and share your thoughts in comments. Thank you all. Have a nice day. Bye.